What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome back to The Grade. Today is day 8 and we are talking about reading your image for color inspiration. As you see, we got a very heavily inspired Miles Morales Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse kind of video. So we'll pause the image here. As you see, we got a lot of purple hues. There's a lot going on, right? And we already know with where my inspiration came from with this video was the Into the Spider-Verse, how they kind of jump through the portals to see and talk to everybody. So to get inspiration from that movie, I knew I needed to have the same kind of colors in my image. I have a light behind this couch over here and it's shooting up into the ceiling, and I have another light on this side shooting up into the wall. That's my purple slash pinkish color, and then there's like a very light blue. I knew that shooting them up into the wall like that would have them kind of blend in the middle. Instead of if I just shot them directly onto me, it would be very harsh light. And so I shot them up into the wall so they could bounce up into the wall and fill the space with color. And so that's kind of how you can get an idea of color inspiration. It's just looking at an image and know where the color is coming from, know where the light is coming from, and breaking it down like that. I promise you, once you start breaking down images like that, you will start to watch movies different, you will start to watch shows different. It's going to change the way you interpret movies and interpret the meaning behind the visuals. Thank you for watching day 8 of The Grade. Come back for day 9, where we'll be talking about warm tones versus cool tones and the messaging behind it. Deuce.